This was the first flight of this drone for me, and when it started doing the gimbal glitching and the wobbly video, I was almost at the point of sending it back. But then I took it home and I put it on the table, and you can see from this video here that the gimbal was glitching down at regular intervals, and I realised it was doing it every 6 seconds, which coincidentally is a tenth of a minute. So I thought, well, perhaps it's being interfered with by radio signals from the central heating controller, or something like that. You see the warning message comes up there, gimbal being interfered with. So I adjusted the gain. I just put it up to 101, and I took it back out and checked it, but I also switched off my Wi-Fi on the phone, and also the 4G on the phone as well, because I figured that if the thing was being interfered with by radio signals, that the Wi-Fi on my phone and the 4G would also interfere with it. And as you can see from the test flight, there's no more glitches. The gimbal's behaving. That was me tilting it down there. I had the thing in manual exposure, and unfortunately I didn't set the exposure here very well, as you can see. But anyway, having figured out that it was radio interfering with the controller, the radio controller, and switched off my Wi-Fi and the 4G on the mobile phone, I think that was the cause of the problems. The radio was interfering with the RF signal being transmitted to the drone. So touch wood, that seems to have cured the problem. So anyway, I hope this video helps anybody else with a similar sort of problem. Thanks for watching.